Where there is a will, there is a way. Hi, hello everyone. I am Prathip Burman talking with you and welcome to my channel. This video is gonna be a little bit different but very important and a very special video. Because in this video, I will share a very important lesson with all of you. And that lesson is nothing is impossible if you have a willing heart. Where there is a will, there is a way. If you have wills for a work, for a thing, for your goals, for your success, for your dreams, for your destination, then doesn't matter how impossible is that, you can make it possible. I will prove you by a very beautiful story. So guys, the story that I will tell you, it is a imaginational story, so don't take it as a real story. So I was reading this book, a very beautiful and a very teachable book. In this story there are four characters: a father, a son, and Bill Gates and the president of World Bank. So what happened in this story, that one day a son said to his father that, "Father, I want to choose my own bride." At that time the father said that, "Okay, that's fine, but your choice is Bill Gates' daughter. How it is possible?" At that time the son was a little bit upset, but he said, "Okay, then it's fine. I'll choose another one." But the father did not give up. Next day, he went to Bill Gates and he said to Bill Gates that, "Bill Gates, I have a young, pretty husband for your daughter for engagement." At that time, Bill Gates said, "That's fine, but my daughter is too young for this." But the clever dad said, "That's fine, but my son is the vice president of the World Bank." But it was a lie. At that time, Bill Gates said, then it's fine, I can think about it." Next day, again, the father went to the president of World Bank and he said to the person, "I have a young man to be recommended as a vice president of World Bank." That time, the president said that, "That's fine, but I have lots of more vice presidents, so I don't need." But the clever dad said again, "My son is the son in law of Bill Gates." At the time, the World Bank president was very impressed and he said, "Okay, that's fine." The deal accepted. So, this is how the business is done. So, the moral of the story is, even if you have nothing, you can get anything. But your attitude and approach should be positive. Nothing is impossible if you have a willing heart. So guys, it was a short informational video, but if you learned something from the lesson and from this video, then don't forget to like it, subscribe my channel for this type of more new videos. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you again with another beautiful lesson. So always remember, doesn't matter what is your goals, what is your ambition, what is your wishes, what is your dreams, what you want to do, but you need only the wills for the work, and it will be so beautiful. Bye bye.